In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to improve image quality in Canva. We're going to enhance clarity and sharpness by using Canva's built-in image upscaler, which increases the resolution of a photo without changing your design. This is helpful when a picture looks a bit blurry, you're preparing a larger print, or you want cleaner details for social media. Start by opening your project in Canva so you can see the design you're working on. Click directly on the image you want to improve to make sure it's selected on the canvas. With the image highlighted, look for the Edit option. This opens the editing panel where Canva keeps adjustments and creative tools. Within that panel, find the Apps category, then locate the image upscaler. This tool uses intelligent upscaling to add pixels and refine edges, aiming to preserve the look of the original while increasing its size. Once you open the image upscaler, you'll be prompted to choose how much to enlarge the image. You can pick 4x, 8x, or 16x. Think of this as multiplying the width and height, not just the file size. For subtle improvements or small web graphics, 2x is often enough. For social posts or medium prints, typically strikes a good balance between detail and processing time. Use 8x or 16x when you need very large output or plan to crop in significantly, keeping in mind that the tool can't invent perfect detail from extremely low quality sources, and higher levels may take longer to process. After you've chosen the resolution you want, click Upscale. Canva will begin processing, and you'll see a progress indicator. This step can take anywhere from a few seconds to a bit longer, depending on the complexity of the image and the upscale level you selected. While it works, avoid clicking away so it can complete smoothly. When the processing finishes, the updated, higher resolution version replaces the original on your canvas, so you can immediately see how it looks within your design. Take a moment to review the result at different zoom levels. Look for improved clarity around edges, text within photos, and fine textures like hair, fabric, or foliage. You may notice that very aggressive upscaling can smooth out some areas, which is normal. If you're preparing content for print, higher resolution usually helps maintain crispness. For digital use, choose the lowest upscale level that achieves the improvement you need to keep performance snappy. And that's it. By selecting your image, opening Edit, launching the image upscaler from Apps, choosing a suitable upscale level, and letting it process, you can quickly boost image quality right inside Canva.